guys eat lunch already?
No.
Oh!
Hey, if I want to wipe your nose,
Put her back on so
I'll
she could
wipe
get the
my
camera.
nose.
Flip her over, hon. So she can get the camera. Hon.
Time for the dirty kisses.
Make it farther. Ew, not the... Sadie. You got it! Uh-oh. Good girl. You put your booty in the air. Good girl. Good girl. How's they say? Hi. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to show you what I could do now.